In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a book tracker and reading list in Google Sheets on desktop. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized sheet that helps you see what you're reading, what you've finished, and what to pick up next. First, open Google Sheets in your desktop browser and create a new blank spreadsheet. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. This will be your home base for all your reading data, and starting on desktop makes it easier to format everything just right. Next, set up your columns. In the first row, type the headers: title, author, status, start date, and rating. These will help you keep information consistent across your list. You can bold the headers or widen the columns so longer titles are easy to read. For start date, it helps to format the column as a date so everything looks consistent. You can do that from the Format menu. For rating, decide on a simple scale, like 1 through 5, and stick to it as you add more books. Now enter your books in each row, one book per line. Put the book's title under title, the writer's name under author, and fill in start date and rating for the ones you've already begun or finished. Don't worry about getting everything perfect on the first pass. The goal is to capture what you know now and refine it as you go. Consistency is key, so keep your spelling uniform and avoid duplicate entries. To make the status column quick and reliable, use drop-downs for reading status. Select the cells beneath the status header, then set up a drop-down with options like Not Started, Reading, Finished, and Abandoned. This prevents typos and keeps your data clean, which pays off when you want to sort or filter later. Apply the drop-down to the entire status column so every new entry automatically has the same options. Finally, apply filters to track progress easily. Turn on filtering for your header row and you'll see little filter icons appear. Click the one on status to show only reading if you want to focus on current books, or only finished to review what you've completed. You can filter rating to see your top picks, or filter start date to focus on recent reads. Sorting by author or title also helps if your list gets long. That's it. You've opened your sheet, created the core columns, entered your books, added drop-downs for status, and used filters to stay on top of your reading. Save the file and update it regularly to keep your reading life organized and motivating.